Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today I'm very delighted to attend this launching event of UnionPay Cloud. And I'd like to share with you that in 2020, post the pandemic, what are the challenges and opportunities facing us? As we know that while entering 2020, what we expected is a different framework. China is one of the few countries that have used the internet as the basic framework of the digital era. While we kickstarted 2020, China across the world and in many other areas are leading the world. In consumption internet, we didn't just use internet as a framework for digital economy, but more importantly, we have embedded internet into all the consumption scenarios and improve consumers' experiences to the utmost. So when 2020 came, we are thinking about internet is about to enter the second phase. And now we are migrating to the B end and customer end and the business end, and now all we're talking about is industrial internet. Well, after a decade of development, cloud computing has become a topic of every industry. Its core value is about three things. First, the pool of resources. Second, virtualization. And third, software defined. So while all the industries are enjoying IaaS, and they have immediately felt a flexible expansion when we are using the computing power, hash rate, broadband, because of business development requires such a flexibility. With such a benefit, some industries are delving even deeper. That's towards PaaS and SaaS. And the biggest advantage is highly applicable. So it is from 999 to 9,999. So that means all these industries are diving deeper in cloud computing, and at a higher level, we are also exploring the IT's framework. We can take 10 years as one period. Within 10 years, very interestingly, if you look at the history and then to predict the future, the trend is from centralization to decentralization with the various iterations in the middle. Well, previously in 1970s, IBM had invented the computer because at that time we didn't have PC. Everything was centralized. And then Microsoft raised all this broadband and the capacities well equipped in PC. Well, internet came into being in 1990s, and the customer terminals, we can just use a browser to surf on the internet. In 2000, a huge difference because mobile phones and mobile terminals were invented. In 2000, the capacity of a mobile phone is even higher or larger than a computer in the old age. In 2010, we had cloud computing. So in 2010, the most fashionable words are cloud computing and big data. So all this information have been centralized in these pools. And in 2020, what we are expecting and most excited about is edge computing. These hash powers